Hello CIS scholars, how are you all children? All are good? So children, today we are going to study from our English workbook. That is chapter number 3, Ice Skating. So children, we have studied the story from our student book, isn't it? And I have given you the hard words, meaning and question answer. I hope you have written it in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, children. So today we are going to study from our workbook. That is worksheet number 1 and 2. There is a beautiful story that we are going to learn. So let's start. The ice skating. Worksheet number 1. Read the story and answer the questions. So can you see this, children? This is a picture of some person. So we are going to study who is he. Okay, where he is going. Robinson Crusoe was a young man who loved to sail to distant lands. So children, at the age of 19, he set off on a voyage to Africa. While sailing, his ship drawn due to a violent storm, and Robinson Crusoe was washed to a lonely island. Now you get the idea. Who is he? He's the Robinson Crusoe. Okay, and this is an adventure story, and it is written by Daniel Defoe. Okay, so he was a young man who loved to sail to distant land. Okay, was very fond of moving here to a different place through boat. At the age of 19, he started his journey to Africa. So when he was sailing his boat, he on the way his boat was drawn. Okay, Dubjana. Due to a violent storm, there was a sudden storm, Tufan. Okay, and Robinson Crusoe was washed to a lonely island. He was carried out. He was carried away by sea waves on the seashore. That time, Robinson did not find any sign of human life even after he was wandered on the island for days. Then what happened? So he reached on the island. So he was moving here and there on the island, but he did not find any sign. Means no one was staying on the island. So to survive on the island, he built a home and started growing rice and barley. He even tamed goats for milk and butter. So children, rice and this is a picture of barley grains. Okay, so he started growing rice and barley. He even tamed goats for milk. So he required milk and butter. He started taming goats. Tame means paltu. Okay, Robinson spent many years all alone on the island. Then one day he saw human footprints on the beach near his house. Robinson was worried about his safety. To defend himself from harm, he started to carry sharp-edged weapons with himself. So children, he was there, he was living on that island for so many years. So one day he saw some human footprints on the beach near his house. So he was worried now. So he thought that he is in danger. So he started preparing sharp-edged weapons. I will show you. Like this was making. Okay, sharp-edged weapon. After a few days, Robinson Crusoe saw about a dozen men carrying sharp weapons near the cave next his house. This man left the island after a few days. Robinson Crusoe felt safe again, but he knew that the man won't come back. So children, then what happened? Robinson one day he saw so many people carrying some weapons. and they were standing near his cave. And this man, they were having so many weapons in their hand. Okay, and this man left the island after a few days. But Robinson Crusoe felt safe again, and he was knowing that the man would come back again. One morning, Robinson saw an unconscious man lying on the beach. He took the man to his hut, gave him some food and water. The man told Robinson that he is a prisoner. So then what happened, children? Robinson saw an unconscious man lying on the beach. Okay, unconscious means not awake. So he took him. Okay, and he gave some food and water. And that man said that he was a prisoner. Prisoner means some person has committed some crime and they are put in jail. So they are called prisoner. So that man was prisoner. He was trying to run away from the group of armed men. Once the man, once the man health improved, he helped Robinson Crusoe with his work. Robinson named him Friday as he was rescued on Friday. So children, then what happened? He was trying to run away, okay, from that group of armed men. So he ran away and he reached in this island. So now he was helping Robinson Crusoe in his work. And Robinson Crusoe gave him a name. What was that name? Yes, Friday. Because he was rescued on Friday. He met that man on Friday. After a few days, Robinson Crusoe saw the man again near the cave. Robinson and Friday made a plan to drive the man away from that island. They fought bravely with the group of men, took their weapons and asked them to leave the island forever. Then Crusoe found a ship by the seaside that probably belongs to the group of men. Then what happened? Again, they saw a man was standing near that cave. So they made a plan to drive the man away from that island. Okay. They fought very bravely. They fight with that man and said that to leave that island. And Crusoe found a ship by the seaside. So that probably belongs to the group of men. It was whose? It was belonging to that persons. Then what happened? Robinson and Friday decide to sail back to England, where Robinson's parents lived. They carried enough food and water and set off for England. Then what happened, children? Finally, they sailed back to England. They were going back to England where they were living. Okay, where the Robinson parents lived. So they went there. They carried enough food and water and set off for England. Finally, Robinson and Friday reached England. Robinson Crusoe was happy to be home after spending so many years on the island. Finally, Friday stayed with Robinson Crusoe and helped him in his work. Okay, so then Friday was staying with Robinson and he was helping him in his work. I hope you have understood this story then and you have enjoyed this story. Really, very good story. So we are going to start now. Question and answer. First one, answer the following questions. Did Robinson Crusoe reach Africa? What happened to his ship? No. Crusoe ship drawn to a violent storms. Second, what did Robinson do to survive on the lonely island? So children, this answer is there in the page number 29. Okay. Now you need to answer it. Find the answer from this paragraph. There are answers given in your paragraph. Okay. Try to answer the questions well and write with the correct handwriting. D. With the sentence marked true or false. First one. Robinson Crusoe loved to sail to distant lands. Is it correct? Let's see. Yes, true. Love to save to distance place. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to solve by your own. Okay, it's easy to solve now. Worksheet number 2. A. Look at the pictures. Choose the correct sound words from the box and write them below the pictures. So children, here are some pictures are given. Okay. And you need to decide which type of sound they make. Okay. Some of the sounds you are aware about it. Okay. First one is there are two cars. Okay. And there is a sudden accident. So what type of sound it makes? Yes, bang. Okay. Second one is a doorbell. This we are aware about it. It makes a sound ding dong. You need to write here ding dong with a good handwriting. Second one is a picture of wall clock. So what type of sound it makes? Yes, tick tock. So write the answer here in the dash given below. And now this one is a picture of bomb. Okay, it's blast. So what type of sound it makes? Boom. So write down the answer here. And this one is a picture of honeybee. So what type of sound it makes? Buzz. And here it's a picture of train. You are aware about it. It makes a sound like chuk chuk, isn't it? So now it's easy for you. Write the answer here in the given blanks. B. Read the situation. Give suitable sound words of your own for this. First one, someone spills a bucket of water on the floor. Okay, these are some sound. Okay, when we do some activity or something happens, it makes some sounds. Okay, you are aware about it, but you should know what type of sound it makes. First one, someone spills a bucket of water on the floor. So that time, what type of sound it makes? Let's see. Yes, splash. Second, a heavy object fall on the ground. That time it makes a sound. Third. Third one. You drop a glass vase from your hand. Crash. Fourth one. A speeding car passed by. Okay, when suddenly a car passed by, what type of sound it makes? Vroom. Fifth. The wind shuts the door suddenly. That time what type of sound it makes? When suddenly a wind come and they shut the door. Bang. Yes. Sixth one. Chalk makes a sound when the teacher writes on the board. Scratched. Seven. Your partner tears a sheet of paper sitting near you. So what he is doing? Yes, right. Means crying. Eight. Step on dried leaves while walking. Yes, it makes a sound like rusted. When there are dry leaves and you are walking on it, it makes some sound. It's called rustle. 9. Some students in the back row are laughing softly. Okay, if someone is laughing very softly, giggle. An angry lion make a loud sound like roar. Yes, isn't it? So these are some sound, okay, which you need to aware. So children, we have finished worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2. Okay, try to write the answer. I'm going to give you the questions and answers. So you write with a good handwriting in your worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2. So the remaining worksheet we are going to solve in another video. So till then, goodbye.